Hello everyone, Dr. Salinda Johnson here from the Londoncosmeticclinic. I hope everyone are keeping well and stay home. Today I would like to introduce myself first. My background is cosmetic dermatology, and I'm specialized in cosmetic, anti-aging medicine, and also dermatology surgery. And today I would like to introduce you to a procedure that will help treating the lower face, the sagging of the jawline, neck, and if you have double chin. So this treatment is called FaceTite. So what is the FaceTite? Well, the FaceTite is the latest radio frequency treatment. What does radio frequency do? So if you imagine it's a heat, and then if you put meat or fat on a hot pan, and the way it is contract the fat, the heat is contract the fat and the skin. So that's why you get the effect of tightening. But with the FaceTite, we put a probe of the machine literally under your skin, not just on the top of the surface. But the probe that go in is the size of the needle, so there is no cut, which is the advantage over facelift or neck lift surgery that could have a scar along the ear or towards the back and could have much more side effect and downtime. So the FaceTite is the bridge between surgical and non-surgical. So the actual procedure is we inject anesthetic around the area that actually you hardly feel it about the injection of anesthetic, as we do a special formulation for that. And then after that, we make a little entry point with needle, and it go in, the probe will go in under your skin. So the special thing of this machine, FaceTite, that will help the tightening the skin. The machine basically measure the temperature real time, and if it go up to the point that we set, it will stop. It won't go further, so to prevent the risk of burn from the heat. So that's why they get FDA approved for that. And the myth about FaceTite. Okay, people said, is it painful? Well, my patient always say they hardly feel anything while we inject anesthetic. And obviously, during the procedure, because it's numb, so you don't feel anything. And when they go home, they never have to take painkiller. I suppose the machine helps stop bleeding and help about the numbness on the area for a while. That's why the patient doesn't feel anything at all. And then after treatment, we recommend to wear compression garment. So there's a little bit of downtime of the swelling here. So we recommend to wear compression garment all the time, around 3 to 5 days. And then after that, during the night for about 2 weeks to get the maximum result. Basically, you generally could go out, see people normally after you stop wearing compression garment, you may just wear some scarf on the neck, and that's it. Then the result will gradually come. So it takes up to 6 months to see maximum result, and the result lasts up to 10 years, similar to face and neck lift surgery, without cutting. Lots of patients ask me, would they have any cut, any stitches? None. The entry point where the needle, may make entry point with the needle, it closes in 1 or 2 days. So you don't have any cut, any scabbing or anything. And then we recommend you to take some antibiotic for about 3 days to prevent infections. So I would say this is a wonderful treatment in terms of discomfort and minimal downtime and no cut. How about the price? Lots of patients say, wow, is it expensive? Well, I mean, if you justify the cost of it with the result, which lasts up to 10 years, and it's non-surgical, it's no scar, minimal downtime, and you get the very beautiful result. The range of the cost of treatment could be anything from, Depend on the area, could be something from 1,500 pounds up to 6,500 pounds. For example, if people want to treat commonly on the jawline here, the sagging on this area, and or you feel heavy and this feel big on this area, and ill-defined jawline and the neck. So from here to the neck downward would cost you something around 5,000 pounds. And then the last thing of the result of 10 years is, wow, I would think it's really worth it. If you think about it, 10 years, it will cost you 500 pounds a year. So I would say this treatment is not expensive at all. And commonly you will need only one treatment. And in the FaceTite treatment, it's not only we do the procedure under your skin, we also do another treatment called Morpheus 8, which is micro needling radiofrequency on the top of the surface to tighten the skin on the top as well. So it's a combination treatment. It's available here at the Londoncosmeticclinic. So if you are interested, take a look at the picture before and after I'm talking here, and you're welcome to speak with me. All right. Take care, keep well, keep safe. Thank you.